The experience was quite seamless, foolproof. We had a great time working with Paradise. It was definitely a Paradise experience. They came in and they took the windows out, they put the new windows in, and our needs were met. We did not have a problem. The installation crew, they were quite professional. They installed the windows and they took the old windows out, and we were quite pleased with them.
Great. And how are you liking your new windows?
We love our new windows. Thank goodness we have not had to test them out. No hurricanes, no impact. We have not had to worry about anything going on, no hazardous weather. So we're happy with our windows. They communicated quite well. They returned our calls. If I had any concerns, they answered my questions and they were responsive to my needs.